Hello guys, today I have a new beauty item to share. It's Falscara from Kiss. I will have an in-depth try-on reviews and also comparison between the original Falscara versus the special editions. I've been playing and experimenting with Lashify, Lilac St and Falscara for a month now. I definitely have learned some of the techniques and tricks how to make them last longer. The original Kiss Falscara kits retails for $19.99 and the special editions for USD $24.99. By looking through the packaging and how much you could get, obviously the special editions looks more attractive. But I wonder, are the qualities different or better? So let's get started. The lengthening whips that provided in the special edition is the most natural and pretty in my opinion. I had both original whips in the volumizing and lifting. They all look so fake and plasticky. The lifting one is way too long and the volumizing looks better, but it's still not natural enough. To begin with, get a hand-free mirror because you will need both of your hands to maneuver in the application process. It's for your own safety. Make sure the environment is well lit. Mirror should be large enough and positioned near as to you as possible that you could see exactly what you are doing. I curl up my lashes prior to the application because I have a straight lashes which pointing downwards. You may skip this step if your lashes are naturally curled up. I apply a thin coat of bond on my lashes just like how I use the mascara. You can just apply onto the base of the lashes if you have more or longer lashes than mine. Then, I use a metal eyelash comb to separate the lashes before they become khaki. Gently pull out the whips by using a thin tweezer at the base. This will help to reduce the tendency of damaging the whips. Apply a thin layer of the bond onto the base of the whips before applying it onto your lashes. This step is crucial because the base easily gets detached. One by one, gently place the whips underneath the base of your natural lashes, slightly away from the waterline. Apply whips starting from the outer corner of lash line, working inwards. I prefer place the whips slightly overlapping for a seamless look. If needed, use the applicator or your fingers to squeeze the whips against your natural lashes. This will help the whips adhere for a more secure hold. For your information, I was using 3 mediums and 2 short lengths. The effect it provides is so natural and pretty. Now I will complete the another eye in the fast forward. Honestly, I don't find any difference in comparison of the original Bonds formula. Both of the ones are just the same too. You don't have to buy the expensive blow from the Lashify. Here I'm using the blow which included in my camera cleaning kit. You can get this from Daiso too. The sealers are a little bit different though. I prefer the sealer in special edition because the formula is clear, whereby the original is somewhat whitish. I can really see the whitish coat on my lashes when I was using the original ones. However, both of the sealers do not prolong the wear. I can only get the whips maintained nicely onto my lashes for a maximum of 3 days. Bear in mind that I live in a country where the temperature is in between 25 degrees Celsius to 34 degrees Celsius with an average humidity of 84%. Overnighter is a reinforced formula for an extended wear with a strong hold to maintain the whips in a fresh condition. When using it, apply an additional thin line under the whips, slightly away from the bands. If needed, use only black cotton buds to remove the unwanted mess because the white cotton fibers are easily detected sticking onto the lashes. After 16 hours of wear test, my makeup looked gross, and so do my lashes. Even though they are still stick well onto my lashes, my makeup had transferred to my lashes. Here, I'm using the makeup remover wipes to remove the makeup. Then I use the baby foaming wash and shampoo with the synthetic makeup brush to clean my lashes. Try to get oil-free formula. I use the baby formula because it will not sting if I get it accidentally into my eyes. Then I went to a hot shower and gently cleaned my face again with a facial sponge. I don't rinse the water onto my face when I'm using these lashes. As you can see, I still can't get rid of the dirt sticking on the inner corner. I strongly suggest you to squeeze the whips against your natural lashes again after shower because the bond gets weak when contact with heat and moist. Right now, I went to bed, and what I did next morning was to reapply the sealer and the overnighter. I didn't do it last night because I wanted the lashes to dry up properly. This time though, I reapplied the sealer onto the applicator and gently press it onto my lashes. Then I paint the overnighter onto my eyelash curler and apply it like I'm curling my eyelashes. I found that these products lays evenly when I'm using this technique. Since the overnighter is in black, this will also help to conceal the dirt on the whip band pretty well. In my opinion, the sealer plays the most important role. I've tried switching the sealer with another brand. I was able to get up to 5 days wear. This sealer is used originally for eyelash extension. It contains of alcohol and probably the main ingredient to dry up the bonds and make it more resistant to heat and moist. At last, let's compare the removers. The difference are the color, scents, and the consistency. The special edition's consistency is thicker, while the original is thinner. Nevertheless, both original and special editions are equally good. Without wearing makeup, the weaves could definitely last longer. Alright guys, these are my thoughts, tips and tricks for the Falscara. I'm having fun to try out the new innovative product in beauty world. See you again in my upcoming videos and thanks for watching.